Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing good. So welcome back to Hybris Data Modeling Part 3. This will be the third session. So today we are going to discuss on the few Hybris questions. So these questions are getting frequently asked in Hybris interview. So first we will discuss today when should use collection type and relation type in Hybris. The second one will be what is the difference between collection type and relation type. Third one is what is the use of partof attribute, and fourth will be the what is the use of declare attribute. So let us start first with first one. When should we use collection type and relation type? So basically, collection type is used to store the similar type of data. There is a requirement. So in Hybris, we want to store the similar type of data, like some keyword data related to product or some anything. In that case, we can use collection type. And how we can declare, so these things we have discussed in the last session. How we can declare collection type relation type in Items.xml. Comment to relation type when should use. This is basically used to make an association between two objects. Objects is nothing but a data table. If you want to make a relation between two tables or association, you want to associate those tables, in that case we can use relation type. So for example, if we are modeling an association between product and its variant, so there are one product may be associated with different variant. So in that case we should use relation type. So these are the use of basic use of collection type and relation type. I hope you understand this. Coming to the second one, what is the difference between collection type and relation type? There are few differences. So the collection type and relation types are there. So collection type basically stores all data in the comma separated type, like A, comma B, comma C, and so on. But in relation type it will not happen like that. It's a store all data in a linked table. For every relation type there will be one linked table created, and there it will get a store separately. And one major point we should notice while using the collection type. So if you want to use collection type, so first you have to decide if there are some limited amount of data, like 10, 15. So you should have decide first if there are some limited amount of data will be there, then we should use collection type. Otherwise what will happen, if there are huge data, in that case collection data will get truncated from the collection type and it will lose the data. In that case we should use relation type. Or we can summarize like collection type stores list of pp's in a single column. That's why it's it may truncate all the data which exceed the size. It's better to choose collection type when the package stored will be lesser or field value may reach the maximum length of field for database implementations. In that case, collection type will be very suitable. And the performance aspect of collection type might be worse as amount of entries will grow in the future use. Where in relation it is far more scalable and might be optimized. Coming to third one, what is the use of parts of attributes? So here we can see the example. Parts of attributes basically be used in relation. It's a better approach. We should use parts of attribute for relation only. It will be well suitable. So actually it is used for the cascade purpose, or cascade means nothing but we are removing the parent object, so child object will automatically get removed in the case of cascade. That is called cascade relation. Parts modifier is used to define the aggregation relationship between parent and child object. That is nothing but a type of cascade. To explain it better, I would say parts of is used to define cache and delete as well, which I have mentioned. If we will delete the parent object, so child object will automatically get deleted. So here I have taken a small example. So I have defined a relation country to region relation. So every country have the different region, like maybe 100, 10, 20. And suppose India has a 100 region and I am going to delete the India country from my database. In that case, its region should get deleted automatically. Otherwise, there will be no use of keeping region in our database, which region is associated with the country. In that case, so this is the relation. I have used relation tag. Here will be source element. Source element I am using country type. Qualifier will be country. Coordinately will be 1. And target element is region. So here I am putting many because one country will have many regions. And here I am making parts of attribute is equal to true. This will play the major role here. So if we will delete country from our database, this region associated with this country automatically get deleted. This is the major use of parts of attributes in Hybris. And coming to the last one, how to use ddeclare in item.xml. So here I have taken a small example for ddeclare. So first, while there is one major point must we should consider while using the ddeclare attribute on the any attribute level of any item type. So we should not use ddeclare attribute on the base item type, or base item type means which is item type out of the box. provided, or we can say parent item type. Here I am saying so there is one name delivery date is there available in the consignment model, which is out of the box. This is the base model, and I want to make it optional. Okay, it was previously required is equal to true, and I want to make it optional. So what I have done, so I cannot make the attribute consignment. So I have created one custom item type, which is custom consignment, by extending the consignment model. And here I have overridden that attribute name delivery date, it is date type, and here I have changed the modifier optional is equal to true, and here I have mentioned redeclare is equal to true for this attribute. Okay, here redeclare will be true and option is equal to true. And once we will build and update the system, so it will apply those changes automatically. So this was the details for the today's session. I hope it's very clear. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, you can comment.